Hello everybody, welcome again to the ETABS and SAFE course. In the last lecture we calculate the percentage between the center of mass and center of rigidity. In this lecture we want to learn how we compare the dynamic loads and static loads to make sure that the dynamic loads are equal minimum static loads. If the dynamic loads is below the static loads, we will increase them, and if dynamic loads are greater than static loads, we will not decrease or increase them. So we go to display. To do this thing, we go to display, show tables, we go to analysis, result, reaction, base reaction, and we press OK. We can get the tables of all loads. To filter and to facilitate our work, we will filter this table by clicking right click here, and we will choose the loads leading, and we will choose the loads that we need. We need the static loads and dynamic loads. First of all, we note that the two static load and positive and negative direction are equal, and also when we want to do the comparison, we compare the x direction of static loads with the x direction of dynamic load and the x direction. So we compare, we begin the comparison. We have a static load equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, and the x direction with dynamic loads and the x direction equal to 5, 0, 0. So we want to increase the dynamic load by multiply by and the x direction by multiply it by 1.69. For y direction, we have 8, 4, 6, 7 divide by 5831. So we have to increase 45% the spec y. So to do this thing, we unlock the run and go to define load cases. Then we multiply spec x by 1.69 here and here. Then we go to spec y and we multiply 1.45 and 1.45. We press OK, then we run the calculation again. The ETABS has finished from calculation, so we want to check that the dynamic loads are now equal to static loads. We go to reaction and base reaction. We show here that we have 8454. We compare this with the static, approximate are equal, so we are in the right way. For the y direction, the same thing, we are in the right way. Now we have increased the dynamic loads to be minimum equal to static load. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lectures.